Good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday. Today is Damian's official second t-ball game. He's eating some cereal. Gatita's eating some cereal too. Girl, I did not record Friday, I did not record Saturday, I did not record. I've been on my period and I've just been feeling a little bit down, so I was just trying to get myself a little bit put together. I have everything that I am going to take ready. My little cute tote bag. Let me show you guys an update also. Yesterday Manny finally bought me my garden bed where I'm gonna plant my seedling. Oh my god, you guys, look at my lettuce, my romaine lettuce. She has a little bit of a green thumb or whatever. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
¿Le vas a pegar fuerte la pelota?
Yeah.
Okay. You guys, so Manny told me he wanted me to take down the canopy and I said no. And it started raining. Good thing we brought this umbrella and I fit in the freaking wagon. So we're chilling. Me and Gatita are chilling here. Damian right now. Gatita loves the umbrella. I want to show you guys Damian right now. He's practicing with his daddy. Oh. There we go.
Come on!
Damian! This guy. This is a setup because it is raining. I'm so sad because I can't get a good video of Damian batting from here because it is raining, obviously. I came to Northgate to get some things to make some caldo because it is raining. Little update, I'm in the restroom because they might have to take a shit. Damian's favorite, he got a bag of chicharrones. Oh, whoa. Okay, so we are finally back home, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and make some caldo de res and some hot chocolate. Don't mind my water looking like that. I just added sal, but this is how it's looking. Added some cebolla, some ajo. I like a lot of ajo. Some hojas de laurel, elotes, col, zanahoria. I'm also gonna add papitas. This man told me that he wanted some guacamole with chicharron, and guess what I did? This looks so bomb, you guys. Oh my goodness. I couldn't make hot chocolate, but the kids are still effing it up. ¿Quieres leche, Gatita?
The next day.
It's freaking cold. Look at Manny, you guys. He's a pitcher. A pretty good picture too. What is up, everyone? Happy Wednesday. Today is a super busy day for me, so I wanted to vlog for you guys so you guys can see what my busy days look like. Today I have a 10 a.m. and a 4 p.m. My 4 p.m. is a double, so I will be doing her nails and her toes. 10 a.m. is just a film. I dropped coffee on myself. Oh my gosh. I did wake up today at 4:40 and I went to the gym. I got to the gym about 5:15. Did a little glute focused gym workout, you guys. I'm still kind of shy to be recording in the gym because I don't feel fully confident. I don't feel confident enough to be filming at the gym because but right now I see across the street that there's no parking, so I'm gonna go ahead and move the truck all the way up so my client can park in her driveway and we're just gonna wait for her. I'll show you guys the nails after. I just cooked and I got the kids eating here. I kept them in their PJs all day, but I did brush their teeth. Apúrate. Pégale. Yay! This girl with her ice cream. Damian. Damian. Hi. Ooh. ¿Quieres una pizza?
Yeah.
Ok. Gatito, ¿tú qué quieres? Pizza. Pizza. ¡Ey! ¿Qué vas a agarrar? Pizza. The kid. Well, Damian wanted some pizza. Look. ¿Qué pasó? He just dropped it on my shoe. Jesus. In the future, I'm gonna have a sewing machine because I want to learn how to sew. $900 for that.
Pretty cool.
So what is it?
For the cold plunge.
Oh, that's crazy. A ball? A soccer ball? Look, a soccer ball. I want to buy Damian one. What? Oh yeah. Okay. We're gonna go to the beach this weekend. Well, not this weekend. Monday.